MissCarly. Thank you for coming back to watch another amazing video that I have for you. So today, we're gonna get inspired by a true rose gold wig. Yay! And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So let's get talking about this rose gold wig from Sapphire Wig. And I absolutely love Sapphire Wigs because I truly feel like they have more wig selection than any other wig company on Amazon, just from what I've seen. But I was so excited to try this wig right here because it comes in so many colors and I kept seeing it and it's almost like, oh, which color should I get? Because literally so many colors to offer. And if you check out all of the reviews, you see everyone rocking this wig out, and I feel like it's such a winner, plus it comes in so many colors. So let's just take a look at this gorgeous rose gold dream. And I was so drawn to her because she almost has like this iridescent, like pearly beige pink kind of look to her, and I just was like, she looks magical, and I really cannot wait to brush her out and see what happens with these curls. And one thing I will say from just looking at this wig, that it actually has like a really nice body to it, which is a really great feature for me because I feel like wigs that have this actually tangle just a little bit less than if it didn't have this kind of body to it, just for my personal wig opinion. So let's just look at the details of this gorgeous girl. So she is probably around 24 inches or so at this very bottom. She does have some layers, of course, which is really nice and just gonna look really natural, so really excited about that. And then as for the construction, she of course has gorgeous, very light lace right here, which is beautiful. She does have your standard 2.5 inch parting right here. She does have 2 clips right here in the side, or comb, and she has 1 comb right back here in the middle. She does have a medium wig cap, so if you require a large head friendly wig, she would work for you. Just put this girl on. So she does come with 2 wig caps, so as soon as she arrives, you are ready to go and rock her out. But I'll be using a wig cap that I have in nude from Amazon. I got a 10 pack for $5.99. I really like these wig caps, and I put my wigs on front to back. And wow, look at her. She is truly a stunning piece, and I've never really seen this kind of iridescent, kind of pearly, peachy, rose gold wig ever. All right, so let's take a look at the hairline and see what we're working with. So she does, of course, look really great. I mean, this is kind of a dream right here with this plucking. I feel like it is really nicely plucked, and you would have to do literally very minimal plucking to customize this wig. I feel like if you really did want to customize it a lot, it'd most likely be if you had a defined parting. So now let's just cut off the lace and really see what this girl is all about. And here she is, ready for action. So speaking of action, let's lightly brush her out with my wig brush. And here she is, all brushed out. I can honestly see why she is such a popular wig because it just looks pretty dreamy if you ask me. And as for the length, this is a dreamy length for me at around 22 inches. I know I said 24 because I wasn't exactly sure the length of it, but it is 22 inches, which is a perfect daily wear wig length for me personally. Also, from brushing her out, she does have very light shedding, as you can see right here. It's very light. She's a very long wig, so of course she's gonna have some shedding from cutting the lace off, but this is actually very minimal, so that's pretty good right there. Now let's shift the parting with the wig cap, as you know I love to do, and see what kind of fun looks that she can give. So let's switch her to the left eyebrow, which is my usual parting for my hair, and see if she gives a different look. Okay, here she is on this side. This is definitely a fun, cute little look. She has a little bit of a little pop-up in the front, so I really feel like she'd also be really good for flipping around as well. So this is good. So let's switch her to the other side. And here she is, definitely a doable look, and I feel pretty similar look on both sides. So I want to know if you have this wig, and if you have this wig in one of the many colors that it is offered, I would seriously love to know and see you in your wigs. So reach out to me on Instagram. That is a great way for you to send me pictures of you being as amazing as you can possibly be. And remember, it is your right every single day of your life to be as fabulous as you want to be. So if you feel fabulous in a rose gold colored wig, wear it. Wear it, love it, and own it. I want to thank you, and we will see you soon. Bye.